Hi there, students. Vamoose, vamoose, a verb. An intransitive verb doesn't take a direct object. I think we use this verb to vamoose in two slightly different ways, although they're very, very similar. I think firstly I would use vamoose to mean come on, get on with it. So come on, vamoose, vamoose, or we're going to be late. Vamoose, or you're going to arrive late for school. If we don't vamoose, we're going to miss the plane. So get on with it, to hurry, to make haste. And then the other meaning of vamoose I would use to run away, to flee. So, for example, the accountant vamoosed with the company's money. Yeah, he did a bunk, he did a runner, he did a moonlight flit, he disappeared. Okay, so to vamoose, to hurry, to go quickly. Come on, come on, come on, vamoose, vamoose. Or to run away from something. To decamp, if you like. So when the police arrived, they discovered that the criminals had vamoosed. Yeah, they'd skipped town, they'd hot-footed it, they'd bolted, they'd got out, they'd hightailed it. Notice this phrase to vamoose. This is very American. This is American slang. I think you could use it in British English, and Brits would understand this perfectly well. But I think the usage mainly is American. Okay, so to skedaddle. Yeah, let's get out of here. The kids were stealing apples from the farmer's tree, and when they saw him coming, they vamoosed. I can see the police coming. Let's vamoose before we get into trouble. Yeah, let's get out of here. Let's move it. And then just use it as an imperative, saying, "Come on, come on, vamoose, vamoose." Yeah, I can imagine saying this to my kids in the morning before they go to school. Come on, get on with it, vamoose. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So formality. As I said, it's American. This is informal. I think I would give it a 3.5 in formality, probably even a 3. Use it informally. Semi-formal conversation, I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation. Just use it in an informal context. And then as to origin, this word comes directly from Spanish. From the word vamos, we go, or vámonos, let's go. So vámonos, vámonos, vamoose, vamoose, and that's where it comes from. So remember, this is informal American slang. So to hurry up, to vamoose, come on, vamoose, vamoose, we're going to be late. Or somebody vamoosed because they saw problems on the horizon, they saw problems coming. Yeah, let's vamoose before somebody catches us doing this, because you know we shouldn't be here. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To vamoose, intransitive.